You said that thing there. When you got to David House and stuff, it was Jah Cure and all those people that you met there. Jah Cure, you were linking with him. He went to jail the first time. He came out. He had changed. Now Jah Cure, right now, as we're having this conversation, Jah Cure is sitting in jail again. All right.
Jah Cure
What are your thoughts about Jah Cure?
Jah Cure must have just wake up there now, man. In that jail. I mean, that's my thought. I mean, we cannot deny that or run from that. My thought is he should have made more control. He should have been more controllable over his action or whatever they say he does. No, I'm saying if he does it. But although I'm saying do it, so I mean, hey, yeah. You should be more controllable over it then. You know, maybe things would have ended up the way it ended up. You know what I'm saying? Because normally, if a man's supposed to give me more money when I go and show them, I'm tell you this, and I'm have to give me my money, you know, because I'm not go on the stage, you know, so I'm going to leave the hotel yet till the year some of my money collect, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So me work, you know, everywhere me go. I'm not really want no argument with nobody. When we come to sing, when I sing, we don't want to go there and not worry about nobody give me the next little piece of food and all that. No, I don't want that. I want just go do my job and deliver to my fans them and my next event.
Mm-hmm.
You know? So I mean, it's like, because we wasn't there, we don't know what went on, but as far as we heard, I mean, Cure as a singer and as a role model, we should have, and I'm going to say, brother, that make a bit. But you don't know, we live and we're learning on. I may hear enough man say, this one could happen to anyone else. No, it couldn't happen to me. No, I'm not worried, so. I'm in business with you, because even if you want my money, we do a home, I'm going to get it from you. Even if you not give me, even if I say it didn't happen, I'm going to come to this store, I'm going to still forget more money and you don't give me. I know if I take care of it, man, because my lie and them something there, him I go talk to, man, or her. That me think. And then me going to get more than that what me think what me have. You understand me? So, you know, just
it's one of those things here.
It's really hurt me, man. Hurt me heart, kind of.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.